Hello, today I'm going to make a Lego wheelchair. First, we will start with this piece, the square. Then this piece, see? Then use these two pieces. And then these two wheels, one wheel and two wheels. And now use this part right here and these two wheels, one and two, like this. Then use these parts. Oops, what if anyone falls, it's okay. So these two parts have to be here, okay? Then use this one part. Oops, if you do a mistake, that's okay. Then use these two parts on top of here. Then this silver part. Then these two kind of silver parts right here. And this is how you make a wheelchair.